Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new lesson. Lesson number 4, in the park. Children, where do you go to play in the evening? Yes, you go to the park to play. With whom you play? With your friends. What do you see in the park? You see the rides. What all rides you see in the park? Swing, seesaw, slide, merry-go-round and the pull-ups. So many things you see in the park. Different rides you see. And you see some of the dolls. Isn't it? So they display some of the cartoons in the park with many trees and birds, flowers we see in the park and we enjoy with our friends. So today's lesson is in the park. It's a poem. So in this poem they have given you some activities in page number 141. You have to tick them, and the activities what you do, you get fun in it. So those activities you have to put the tick mark in the given box. So children, this is your activity. You have to do it yourself. In this poem, there is a small girl Dolly who goes with a friend in the park and she enjoys herself. So now let us read the poem about what Dolly loves to do in the park. So we'll read the poem. When I read, children, you are going to listen. You are going to keep your fingers on the textbook and you are going to repeat after me. Okay? I love to play all through the day in the park before it is dark. I love the swing. It gives me wings. I swing so high to reach the sky. I smell the flowers for long hours. Their colors so bright shine in the sunlight. I go round and round on the merry-go-round. It is a fun ride, better than a slide. It is a fun to try to catch a butterfly. I aim up high, but it disappears in the sky. I love to play all through the day in the park before it is dark. Now children, here Dolly says that she likes to play in the park all through the day. She loves to play on the swing and it makes her that she has a wing and she reaches the sky. She also likes smelling flowers for long hours because their colors are so beautiful and they shine in the sunlight. She loves to play merry-go-round and she gets more fun in that ride, better than the slide. She tries to catch the butterfly, but the butterfly, when it flies, she aims to up high, means she tries to catch, but it disappears in the sky, means it goes away. And Dolly says that she loves to play in the park. So now children, let's look at the video of this poem.
Dolly and her friends love to play in the park. Let's listen to them having fun at the park.
I love to play all through the day in the park before it is dark. I love the swing. It gives me wings. I swing so high to reach the sky. I smell the flowers for long hours. Their colors so bright shine in the sunlight. I go round and round on the merry-go-round. It is a fun ride, better than a slide. It is fun to try to catch a butterfly. I aim up high, but it disappears in the sky. I love to play all through the day, in the park before it is dark.
So children, let us read some difficult words. First one is through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. Number 2, swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. Number 3, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Number 4, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Number 5, disappears. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-S. Disappears. Number 5, merry-go-round. M-E-R-R-Y. Go. G-O. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Merry-go-round. Children, these are difficult words. You have to write in your rough book 2 times. Okay? You have to write this in your rough book 2 times. Children, what is the rhyming words? Let me tell you. Rhyming words are those words which have the same sound, but the first letter will be different. You can see the example given. Rat, bat, cat. What did you observe in this? That only the first letter is changed. It is a meaningful word, but the first letter will be changed. The remaining last letters will be the same. R-A-T rat, B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat. At sound you can hear at the last. Come to the second example. Sit, fit, bit. It sound you can hear for the second example. S-I-T sit, F-I-T fit, B-I-T bit. So these are called rhyming words which have the same sound, okay, but the first letter will be different. They all are meaningful words. Now in your textbook, get going, write words from the poem that rhymes with the given words. Now you have to search the word in the poem. Mark, M-A-R-K, mark. Which is the rhyming word for mark? Park, P-A-R-K, park. Come to the B1, tide, T-I-D-E, tide. So what is the rhyming word for tide? Ride, R-I-D-E, tide, ride. Okay. Come to the C1, clay, C-L-A-Y, clay. What is the rhyming word for clay? Play, P-L-A-Y, play. Clay, play. Come to the D1, fly, F-L-Y, fly. So what is the rhyming word for fly? Sky, S-K-Y, sky. Fly, sky. Come to the E1, showers, S-H-O-W-E-R-S, showers. What is the rhyming word for showers? Flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Showers, flowers. Come to the F1, light, L-I-G-H-T, light. What is the rhyming word of light? Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Okay children, write in your textbook and you have to write in your notebook also. Come to the second exercise. This you have to write as homework. Choose the correct options and complete the following sentence. Options are given, answers are given below the question. Choose them and write in the blank. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do this. Okay children, bye, take care.